Today my topic is volumetric flow rate. Now, what is volumetric flow rate? The volumetric flow rate of a fluid is defined as a fluid is defined as volume of fluid is passing through a given cross-sectional area per unit time. Passing through a given cross sectional area per unit time. It means, suppose that one pipe which length is L, which volume is passing through here is a V. This cross sectional area, suppose that P. I pointed here. This volume, any fluid, is passing through this pipe and cover this length, this point to this point. The volumetric flow rate of a fluid is defined as the volume of fluid. Volume of fluid is passing through a given cross-sectional area per unit time. This flow rate we define as Q is equal to, I told you here, volume of fluid is passing per unit time. Volume of fluid upon time. This one. Now here Q is flow rate. We also mention it Q is equal to volume V per time. This one. Suppose that this 1 liter volume is passing through here within 1 minute and it fill the 1 liter jar, this 1 liter, this filling it 1 minute. Then the flow rate is flow rate Q is 1 liter per minute. This one. Again, suppose that another example, 30 liter bucket is filled in 2 minutes, then the volumetric flow rate is volume 30 liter time 2 minutes is taken 15 liter per minute. So volumetric flow rate is 15 liter per minute. Now unit is considered on meter cube, liter and gallon, etc. And time unit, you know, second, minute, hour, etc. day, etc. Its unit. Now flow rate unit how many cases? Meter cube, LPM, liter per minute. Meter cube per second or meter cube per minute. Cubic meter per second. Meter cube per second. This one. And what others? You also told it feet cube. Cubic feet per minute. Per minute. Feet cube per minute. Gallon per minute. This one. Another one unit SCCM. What is the full form of SCCM? Standard cubic centimeter per minute. Standard cubic centimeter per minute. This one. These all of unit of your volumetric flow rate. It's okay. Any cross-sectional area, any pipe I take, Suppose that volume V, this cross section area, and this is the length of the pipe. Length of the pipe. This point pressure P, any point. Volume passing through this. Now, any volume 0.1 up to 2 passing, just passing, and it's taking time t. This volume is the traveling time from 1 to 2. Then volumetric flow is Q is equal to V by T. This suppose that first equation. Now the volume, this cross sectional area, how you define? How you define this volume? This area, cross sectional area, or this cross sectional area into length, A into L. Area into length. This volume is equal to, I put this equation here, A into L upon T. This is another. Again, Q is equal to area L by T. You know, velocity is equal to L by T. Now, here V, flow rate is equal to area into velocity. Any fluid just passing this area with this velocity, that one is flow rate. Area, you know, area unit meter square, and velocity meter per second. Then meter cube per second or minute, whatever. This is a flow unit. Now, how we change GPM to LPM? Suppose that my water is flowing to GPM. I need to convert it how many LPM? Then I note down here 1 GPM, 1 gallon is equal to 3.78 LP liter per minute. This is the conversion, simple. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.